In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best FPV drones available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the FPV drones mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, M33 RC Drone 4K Pro. The M33 RC Drone features a wide-angle Triple HD camera for immersive aerial views. With a 3000 mAh battery, it delivers up to 20 minutes of flight time. The 2.4 GHz connectivity ensures a stable FPV experience, while 1080p HD video recording captures high-quality content. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, this drone offers a perfect balance of performance and affordability, making it ideal for stunning aerial photography and exploration. Number 4, GEPRC VaporX FPV Drone. The GEPRC VaporX is a high-performance freestyle FPV drone built for expert pilots. It features CNC aluminum alloy camera protection, Speaks 2 motors for robust power, and 5mm carbon fiber arms for enhanced durability. Available in 5-inch and 6-inch models, it provides unmatched agility and precision. Designed for advanced pilots, it delivers an incredible flight experience with smooth handling, making it a top choice for freestyle enthusiasts and racing professionals. Number 3, SpeedyBee B25 FPV Drone. The SpeedyBee B25 is a 2.5-inch FPV drone ideal for racing and aerial photography. Its optional aluminum alloy head enhances durability, while the dual air intake cooling system ensures efficient performance. Equipped with a self-developed flight controller, it offers exceptional stability. Smart LED indicators improve visibility and safety during flight. Perfect for pilots who need a compact, feature-rich drone with high responsiveness for both freestyle and racing. Number 2, Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max Drone. The Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max is a foldable 8K dual-camera drone with a 28-minute flight time. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to carry, while Wi-Fi connectivity ensures a seamless FPV experience. Capable of recording stunning 8K HD videos, this drone is perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial shots. Whether you're a hobbyist or a traveler, its extended flight time and high-resolution camera provide a superior flying experience at an affordable price. Number 1, GEPRC Cinebot 30 HD03 FPV Drone. The GEPRC Cinebot 30 HD03 FPV drone delivers exceptional 4K 60 frames per second video quality with anti-shake stabilization. Its low-latency 30 milliseconds transmission ensures smooth real-time FPV footage. Designed for professional-grade shooting, it features a quick disassembly design for easy upgrades and a powerful 1804 motor for ultra-low altitude shots. Perfect for cinematic drone shots, this FPV system is an excellent choice for filmmakers and experienced pilots looking for top-tier performance.